Alright, everybody, you don't know who this already. This is the Skilla. And me I gonna bring to you something where me know say enough Jamaicans don't really know what go on. That's why I really have to bring it to them. And to who know, yeah, who know, you see me? Now, gays are marching in Montego Bay for their rights. You know what I mean? And the political groups online now take it up online and them have a big debate about it, and both sides of parties are pointing fingers. You see me I say? Till them start to even mention about the late Kendrick Stevenson. You know? The PMP / gay, you know, the political activist that was murdered. That I should say, right? Now, election around the corner. Me I go say this once and me know me I go end up say it again. You see it? Election there around the corner. Right? So a whole lot of pine finger go on. Anyways, take a look on a clip here. Observe.
The city done. The city done. The city done. Oh God, Father God, save our souls. Father God, come to our rescue, please. And hear song whatever play, still stay strong. Oh God. Father God, please save our city.
Have mercy upon our soul.
Your people them down there.
Has sinned and fall short of God.
Father God, save our soul. Father God. No, police and them are work together. Look now. Yes.
Yeah.
Andrew Holness, this is what are you doing to our city? Tell me, Andrew Holness. Tell me, is this what you're really doing to our city, Mr. Andrew Holness? Come on, Mr. Andrew Holness, man. And don't do that to Massacre either. Don't play those songs.
Oh, the police are...
I know for a fact, say, video like this, I go shock a whole heap of Jamaicans. Whole heap. And a lot of Jamaicans not surprised neither, because it's been long predicted and expected to many a long time ago. You see what I say? Now, some people say that this march is because of the guy that is called Kendrick Stevenson, the PMP / gay activist. You see what I say? Right, that is one point. But my point, the reason why I bring it to you, the viewers, is because online the political groups are in a debate. They're pointing fingers now because election is coming around the corner. You know that, right? So one side of the political parties, I say, them are trying to make Andrew Holness look bad because them keep a meeting with gays in their meeting, yeah, right? And Ninja Man's son was present driving a car, and them said Ninja Man's son, them claim to say him is gay. So you can see say is a whole heap of mix up in the thing. You see me? Right now, this whole gay march thing gone viral within Jamaica. Even out of Jamaica to right now, it's a big debate online right now, where a lot of people are talking, especially in the political groups right now. You see me I say? So people, if you never know, remember you know now, and the Skilla tell you what go on. So as always, you know, we're gonna bring it to you the realest way we can. You know, don't forget to tell me what you think, leaving the views on the whole situation. And as always, if you need to know more about what go on in and around Jamaica, you have to click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla, and that was Skilla's Entertainment.